So yesterday, along with many other things, Selena ripped boards from the thin stock that she gets from the lumberyard. She did the measurements, she ripped the boards, she created these things that she does that already have the furring strip on them so they can go over the siding. And she painted them all. I believe, yep, she even wrote on the board where everything goes so that she'll know which window, which part, etc. Today, while I was gone, doing all kinds of other things, Selena and her helpers have been painting, and now from the sound of things, they're putting up some of that trim. The last I knew, her intention was to finish painting this whole side, trimming up to where the siding is, including the windows and the door. And then I think it's porch time. She's only been at it all day. Hi.
Hi.
I was showing everybody what you've been doing in my absence.
Okay, well, you know what? This is good you're over here because I'm getting ready to do some bricks.
Oh, okay, cool, yes.
Lucas actually did a really good job, but as we predicted, he's way too anal.
So it takes too long?
It's not even that. It's just way too anal. It's too perfect.
Oh, they're too perfect?
Yeah. It's perfect when it gets done. It's like he's over there touching them up as he goes and stuff. And it's like, man, we just rush it in.
Wow, it looks good so far.
Yeah,
I love.
Bored, so we couldn't finish today, even if we were willing to kill it. What time is it? My guess is sometime after 5.
Yes, it's 5:30.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Sun.
Yep.
Okay. So,
I love the trim. Oh,
yeah, we
that's
got
so
the
cool.
things out. Dylan's been painting that in, and I would like to say that Dylan is a really slow painter because all he's painted is what, 3 boards. But this siding on this side, because of the southern exposure, is going.
Yes, it's inhaling all of the paint.
Inhaling the paint.
Yeah, yeah.
It's just inhaling it. Okay, so real quick, I'm going to show you how to make bricks. And like I said, Lucas was doing it earlier because I was trying to get that done. So I had Lucas doing this. Hand me that, Dylan. Okay, so, no, hand me the whole thing.
Oh.
Okay. Not your glasses, dude, don't be. Okay.
So what is that?
So what you're using, and what I'm using is a sponge mop.
Oh,
This is a
okay.
really cheap one. I got at Dollar Tree for $1.10. And then I've got a short handle on it that screws in. That was one of the things I have. Okay.
That somebody
so
threw
what you
away.
want to do is, you don't want it to be too wet. Because you're not trying to actually, you're just trying to make it the essence of a brick. So like here where I've got that cord, I'm just farting around.
So there's
get it
brickness.
covered, give it covered a little bit. Just do it a little bit, make it look better. Doesn't have to be perfect. And what you do is, on this side, like this, you're gonna use this way. And then, towards the bottom,
You turn it upside down.
the other way. And this way, I can sit the whole time. Although poor Lucas, I look over here, Lucas is painstakingly painting the edges so that they all look
Exactly the same.
exactly the same. But he's sitting on the ground to do it.
Oh my goodness.
But not me. I'm not sitting on the ground.
No.
Okay. So the idea is not what it looks up close. What the idea is what it looks like from the back seats.
So it's stage set magic.
Yes, it's stage magic. It's literally something I learned working on theater sets.
Yeah.
Something you learn working on theater sets is how, I need a brick wall to give ambiance. How do I do that? Actually, I say learned. I'm the one who came up with this technique. So
Right.
I figured out that a sponge mop head was about the size
right
of
size,
a brick.
right.
Oh, and if you'll notice, I purposely pinched little holes out of it.
Right.
So that I don't get a good clean mark, I get something that's kind of brick-like. But it's like, yeah, you're just basically just going over them And okay, and so how do I get the white part? I use spray paint. If you'll look, you can see I've done this one before. So I'm literally doing the pattern from what I did before.
Right, right.
But I just took spray paint and painted the thing, and then I just do it. But yeah, Lucas did a really good job. Much better than say I'm gonna do. Because I'm just gonna do it. He was trying to get it spot on. He did a
Perfect.
really good job. So I'm proud of him. Save me having to do that much of it. I'm trying to get this thing. I'm so tired, my fellow human beings. I am so fucking tired of painting, I can't even tell you. And literally, this painting is temporary.
Right.
I'm doing, of course, it's temporary forever because God only knows how long it's going to take me to rock this fucking thing up.
Right, right.
And that's how long it's going to be like this. Okay, bring me my impact driver, Lucas. Yeah, Lucas was down here. He was very conscientiously not getting grass in it and everything else. And Selena said here, and into 10 seconds is full of grass. Because, yeah, Lucas
And there's your impact driver.
Getting everything squared off and doing it just right.
So are you taking that off?
I am. So, because there's a wire underneath it, and putting it away because there needs to be airflow.
Oh, okay, okay. Yes, you're opening it up for the summer.
Yeah, well, and hopefully, what I would like to do this year, I don't think it's going to get done because I have way too much to do this year. And I really thought me and the boys could get this whole side painted today, which was kind of stupid of me, I realize now. It's like, no, we really can't. Especially since I screwed up a board. Okay, so I have to make those boards.
Right.
That's why they're not all flat and even and all that. I have to make them by sawing down those thins. And I had just the right amount and had pre-cut them, pre-painted them. And then I put one in the wrong place and broke it getting it off.
Of course.
Because, of course, I put 4 billion freaking...
Screws?
No.
Oh.
Worse than that,
Staples. Oh, no.
in it. But I'm hoping to get a grill like I put in the front on all of these, even if I don't get the rest of it wrong. I would like to get the vents done. Oh, come on, you bastard.
Of course it doesn't want to come out.
No, of course not.
Okay.
I think it needs a different head. But
But of course.
at any rate, like I said, it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Get a sponge mop. Hopefully you can find a little stick for it.
I'll
'Cause
make one.
It works better. The last time I did it, though, I didn't. I just had a sponge mop. It was after I did that that I realized, it'd be better if I had it on a stick. So now it's on a stick.
There you go.
But yeah,
Okay, well, I'll go
Okay.
away then.
all right. I think Lucas just painted.
It looks like he just finished the blocks.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, see what that looks like.
So the heavens opened up last night. It rained a lot more than anticipated. It's supposed to start raining again in about an hour. But Selena says they're going to have the trim up and all the paint should be dry by then. And Lucas just finished doing the blocks. So yay. That on the top he's not painting because that's, you can tell where the paint stops, that's where the porch is going to go on. And so it's silly to paint and then cover it with extra wood because you're doing a porch. Anything, all of that'll get treated when she does that, the roof deck for the porch and the deck for the porch here. This is crazy. But, oh gosh, that trim just makes such a difference.
No. Okay, bring me the hammer. Or the hammer may be up there.
And they're done. The entire side is done, except of course for the porch. But you can see exactly where the porch is going to begin, there to the left of the door. She's got the door trimmed, all the windows. Everything is painted and sealed. And just in time because it's sprinkling on my head. It's been long enough since the paint went on that everything will be perfectly safe. Oh, I am so happy. The painting's done for now. Yay! The next video should entail the building of the porch. Be well and safe, everybody.